Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the best kitchen utensil sets that every home cook needs. From sleek designs to durable materials, these top picks will make your cooking experience smoother and more enjoyable. Stay tuned to find out which set is perfect for your kitchen, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Umite Chef Kitchen Cooking Utensils Set. If you're seeking an affordable matching set of kitchen tools, this 33-piece set from Umite is a great choice. Featuring durable wooden handles and silicone heads, these utensils are safe for non-stick cookware and can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees without melting or bending. The set includes a variety of utensils, such as spatulas, ladles, pasta servers, tongs, and more. The stainless steel core ensures durability, and the small holes on the handles make them easy to hang. For convenient storage, the set also comes with a holder. These silicone utensils do not react with food or beverages, ensuring your family's health by not retaining odors or colors. Before first use, any initial smell will dissipate after soaking the silicone in water and exposing it to the air for about 3 hours. This set meets all your kitchen needs, but due to the wooden handles, it is not recommended to soak them in water for long periods or clean them in a dishwasher. Pros: comprehensive set, heat resistant up to 446 degrees, silicone heads protect non-stick pans, hooks included for hanging slotted spoons, spatulas. Cons: wooden handles can warp or detach. Number 2. Outhred 15-piece silicone cooking utensils set. The Outhred set includes 14 utensils and a caddy designed for organized storage, made entirely from 100% silicone, except for the whisk and tongs, which incorporate metal parts. These utensils can withstand temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for frying and other high-temperature cooking methods. While the set contains no redundant utensils, some are similar enough to substitute for each other when needed, which is a convenient feature. Notable pieces in this set are the deep ladle, ideal for serving soups and plating food, and the long spatulas, perfect for handling fish and everyday cooking tasks. Unique to this set are a citrus juicer and a thinner spatula, both excellent for spreading condiments or icing pastries. All items are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Despite the overall excellence of this set, the utensil holder did not match the sleek aesthetic of the utensils and struggled to accommodate all the pieces, which led us to deduct a few points from our evaluation. What we like: we liked how this larger set allowed us to use one utensil while another was in the dishwasher. What to know: the utensil holder included with this set doesn't fit the aesthetic of the tools, and it barely fits all of them. Number 3. Callan's 35-piece non-stick kitchen utensil set. This standout set offers tremendous value with a total of 34 utensils, with the hooks counting as the 35th piece, making each piece cost an average of just $0.38. We believe this is an incredible price for well-crafted utensils that cater to a wide range of kitchen needs, from savory to sweet. We tested the cheese grater while making mac and cheese, and it effortlessly sliced through 5 blocks of cheese. The ladle's handle angle and the spoon's depth made scooping easy, and the ribbing on the handles provided a comfortable and secure grip, ideal for someone setting up their first home or heading off to college. This set also includes long tongs, measuring cups and spoons, and a potato masher. All pieces are listed as dishwasher safe. However, to maintain the sharp edges of the grater, we personally recommend hand washing it. After several weeks of daily use and frequent washing, none of the utensils showed any signs of wear, highlighting the durability and value of this comprehensive set. What we like: the largest of our tested sets, the Callan's includes a cheese grater and ice cream scoop. Number 4. OXO Good Grips 15-piece kitchen utensil set. As always, OXO Good Grips takes the top spot for kitchen utensils. This comprehensive set, made of nylon, stainless steel, and silicone, can withstand heat up to 400 degrees without warping and is designed for space-saving, attractive storage on your counter. This 15-piece set includes everyday essentials like spatulas, spoons, and tongs, as well as specialized tools such as a meat tenderizer, vegetable peeler, and ice cream scoop. The extra-large holder keeps everything neat and organized and features a removable drip tray that can be easily cleaned in the dishwasher to maintain hygiene. Papantonio's favorite utensils include the frequently used tongs and the thin, flexible turner, which easily slides under foods. The mixing spatula is also notable for its firm yet flexible head, and the spoons are both lightweight and sturdy. One minor drawback is that with such a robust collection, it can sometimes be challenging to fit all the tools back into the crock. Pros: comprehensive set, heat-resistant up to 400 degrees, easy to use and clean, durable. Cons: some tools are not safe for non-stick cookware. Number 5. All-Clad Pro 6-piece stainless steel kitchen toolset. The elegance of this all-clad set is truly remarkable. This sleek stainless steel collection includes a ladle, solid spoon, slotted spoon, spatula, fork, and an attractive storage caddy. The extra long handles provide safety from burns, and the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while these utensils are not suitable for non-stick cookware. They are dishwasher safe and an excellent choice for those who prefer using heavy-duty stainless steel or cast iron pans. These tools complement All-Clad's highly acclaimed pots and pans, featuring the signature handle divot found on the D5 and D3 cookware lines. Our testers noted that the polished stainless steel utensils feel smooth and glossy, and the caddy is sturdy with ample space for additional tools if you wish to expand your collection. The utensils have a satisfying heft, and their long handles help keep your hands away from the heat. This streamlined set includes all the essentials: a ladle, solid spoon, slotted spoon, turner, and fork. Keep in mind that while stainless steel tools are easy to clean, they are not safe for use on some non-stick surfaces.